Alright, let me get this flash off. Okay, I think it worked. So this is the i7 4790. Okay, anyway. Let's see here. And then the NVIDIA control panel's back on there, but it's continually thinking, what the hell's going on? Okay. So right click. Yeah, I get all that there. The only thing that was missing was in my files too. Let me see here. And there was a couple of other user accounts on here. And that was probably another conflict. But it appears that it is working. Okay. I think there's two different ones, Ham Shack and Ham, on here. I just wanted one only, but basically what I was trying to do was get this computer to continue running so that I could use Nero. And Nero is not free, so Nero 7 Essentials. Oh, I don't know what the hell that was. So it keeps installing Copilot and Cortana, which I do not want. You know, if it was easier to run programs in Linux, I wouldn't mess with Windows. But here's the problem. Most of the stuff that I use requires Windows. Like my GoPro won't work right in Linux. A lot of my streaming stuff just doesn't want to work, man. They really cornered the market a long time ago. So it looks like doing the recovery, or whatever they call it, reset, reinstall. It looks like that worked. So a bunch of the programs are still there, even though they say you lose all your programs. It's not true. So we still have Nero. Nero Adobe Premiere plugin. Yes. I gotta go through this thing. And then have to scroll through every time to go back to where I was. Well, I guess I was wrong. I lost all of it, man. It's all gone. That sucks. Well, why does it show this thing still? Like, yep, all of Nero. All of it's gone. God damn. What the fucking point of that would have been? To do all this bullshit just to lose the one thing I was trying to keep. Like, there's no reason. This is stupid. So, basically, I probably could go back and restore, maybe. I don't know. That's ridiculous. So, basically, I could have just skipped all this crap and reinstalled Windows. I mean, the only thing that actually, like, fixed it was the license is still good, whatever. Like, you know, I didn't have to do a patch. But yeah, I lost everything. So there's none of this stuff's on here anymore. All gone. But I clicked on a thing that said to keep the files, but then it said, well, you'll lose them anyway. So we lost them.